In this video, we'll look into merge join transformation. So let us check the tables we want to join. So there is a merge test 1 and merge test 2 tables. So select star from SQLBasics.dbo.merge test 1. We'll have ABCD, this table. Select star from SQLBasics.dbo.merge test 2. Execute. We have the records A, B, E, F in this table. So let us join these two tables. So we can join by either inner join, left join, right join. Let us look into this. Now track the data flow task. Double click. Let us get the sources now. So OLEDB source. This would be merge test 1. And another source is merge test 2. Let us rename this merge test 2. So for merge test 1, we'll have this this is the server name, desktop, this one, and SQL Basics is the database name. On the table, we are choosing merge test 1. Amp name is the column, and for merge test 2, same server, table is merge test 2, columns amp name. Now we'll add the transformation merge join. This is the input, merge join left input, and this is the right input. So here we get that error, they should be sorted. The sources should be sorted. So right click merge test 1, show advanced editor, go to input output properties, click on OLEDB source output, is sorted, change it to true, and expand OLEDB source output, click on output columns, click on amp name, and sort key position 1. Merge test 2, right click, show advanced editor, go to input output properties, click on OLEDB source output, is sorted, change it to true, expand OLEDB source output, expand output columns, click on amp name, sort key position 1. So both have been sorted. Now we have this amp name joined to amp name, and here it is inner join. We are now considering this inner join. So if it is inner join, then the common records in both the tables should come out as the result. And we'll select this, let us select both of them. So amp name 1, amp name 2. If it is common records, you can just select one of them, so that because it's the same in both the, but I just want to show from both the tables, so I'm selected that. Now we'll have a derived column to show it in a data viewer. So we connected it to the derived column. Right click here and enable data viewer, so you can view it in the data viewer itself instead of loading it to a table. Execute. The common records are, you see these tables, match test 1 and match test 2 has got AB as common between those two, and CD and EF are different. So the inner join has given us AB records, AB. So emp name 1 and emp name 2, we are getting the records from both the tables. So here it is AB and here it is AB. Close this. Package execution completed with success. Okay, now let us double click this and change it to left outer join. So now it is left outer join. So in case of a left outer join, see the records, all the records from the left table. So what is the left table here? Left table is match test 1. So we'll get all the records from the left table. If it is left outer join, that means we'll get ABCD, and the matching records from the right table. Right table is, you see here, right table is match test 2. Matching records in the right table would be AB. So we'll get ABCD from here and AB from this table. Now let us show both the records. Now let us execute this. See, from the left table, emp name 1 is left table and emp name 2 is right table. The left table we got A, B, C, D, and from right table emp name 2 we got A, B, the matching records, and for CD there is no matching records, so we didn't get any matching record. We didn't get these non-matching records. We got only matching records from the right table. Because it's a left join, we got all the records from the left table. Okay, close that. Now let us change it to right outer. I think right outer join would be the same, but we can see this full outer join. In case of right outer join, we'll get the same records. From the right table, and then so full outer join will give us the all the records. Execute. So we got A, B, C, D from the left table, and A, B, E, F from the right table. For C, D, there is no matching record here. So from the right table we didn't get anything. For EF in the right table we don't have matching record here, so we didn't get anything from the left table. So but we got all the records ABCD and ABEF with a full outer join. So that's how we can use this merge join transformation to merge two tables data and use the joins inner join or left outer join, full outer join. We can disable this data viewer, right click and we can say disable data viewer. So we can disable that data viewer, and we can delete this derived column. And here after merging, we can merge it to a destination table here. So to show the records, I just taken that data viewer, and we can take the OLEDB destination here, and the merger records can be transferred to a table. If you like the video, please subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button. For notifications on upcoming videos, please click on the bell icon.